Somali lawmakers have in the past 2 days been involved in heated argument barely hours after more than 280 lawmakers voted out the Speaker of the Transitional Federal Parliament of Somalia, Sharif Hassan Sheikh Aden, who is currently on a visit to Italy. The MPs who met at the Parliament chambers on Tuesday elected Madobe Nuno, the head of the Somali Parliamentary Caucus on Constitution, as the successor to Sharif Hassan, whom the legislators accused of slowing down parliamentary activities. But on Wednesday, the legislators who opposed the newly nominated Speaker and those who were backing Madobe Nuno decided to go physical, that saw several MPs engage in blows inside the Parliament buildings. Somali Deputy Speaker and a strong supporter of the ousted Speaker Abdiweli Mudei, in a press conference outside the Parliament buildings, called on the Somali President Sharif Sheikh Ahmed to deal with the crisis, since he is the leader of the Transitional Federal Government of Somalia. Abdiweli said that President Sharif must make sure the Kampala Accord that was signed by the Speaker and the President in Kampala on July must be adhered to by all quarters.
The Somali President must address this matter urgently, since he is the overall leader and he will be held liable in the event of anything that happens. As for our part, we have tried our best to end the conflict.
In a press release from the office of the Somali President issued late on Wednesday evening, the President called on the members of Parliament to seize the emerging rift and rather assist the Somali government in its fight against the Al-Shabaab fighters, implementation of the roadmap and the delivery of food aid to the drought-ravaged persons. Newly nominated Parliament Speaker Madobe Nuno said that the members of Parliament were right in their decision they have made in ousting the Speaker. Some of the lawmakers also welcomed the Parliament decision of electing a new Speaker, terming it as constitutional.
As you know, all know the Somali Parliament made a historic judgment, and whatever happened today in Parliament is illegal, and we will not allow anything unconstitutional. But all need to know that the Parliament decision is made by the majority.
Somali Parliament currently consists of 550 legislators, and this rift comes in the wake of reforms that will see the number reduced drastically as a part of the agreement reached on the process of ending the transition. This is the third time in Somalia history that the 550 members of the Transitional Federal Parliament have been involved in fighting, with the legislators accusing the current Speaker of being a stumbling block to parliamentary sittings. Abdulaziz Bilo, Press TV, Mogadishu.